Now we are going to solve the problem number 5 in chapter 10 objective question, which is given in page number 218. First I will explain the problem. Here two spring systems are there, oscillating springs are there with masses. The spring constant of the first spring is Ka, spring constant of the second spring is Kb. The mass which is attached with the first system is Ma, mass attached with the second system is Mb, and here the mass ratios are given. Ma is to Mb is given, that is 1:2. When both are oscillated, the maximum velocity of the first system and velocity of the second system both are given in the form of ratio. Vmax A is to Vmax B is 1:2. You are asked to calculate the ratio of the amplitude of both the two systems. To solve the problem, these two basic fundamental formulas are required. Vmax formula is maximum velocity of the simple harmonic body is, what is this? Vmax is equal to A omega. Omega is equal to square root of K by M. By using these two formulae, we are able to solve the value of AA divided by AB. That is AA to AB ratio can be found out. How to start with? Here Vmax, that fundamental formula to be written for first system. Okay, Vmax A divided by Vmax B can be written. That is nothing but A omega, AA omega A, in that format we can write, divided by AB omega B. So that formula is written, is it clear, for these two systems. Here we know the ratio of Vmax A to Vmax B, already it is given 1/2. 1:2 can be written as 1/2. What is required? AA by AB is required. Omega can be written in terms of, in this formula, square root of K by M. So here I will rewrite this, AA square root of Ka by Ma whole divided by denominator factor AB square root of Kb divided by Mb can be written. Okay, now the entire factor can be written within the single square root. Are you clear? In the next step we can write like this, half AA by AB square root of, this part can be written within the square root, Ka by Kb. After reciprocation you can write Mb divided by Ma can be written. Okay, now what is required? AA to AB is required. Ratio of amplitude of the first system to the second system is required. This part is required. So you have to keep this factor here in LHS. AA by AB can be written. This part will be remaining there only, half. When the things are brought in this side, everything will get reciprocated. So again, while writing, what we have to do? The factors which are written at the bottom, that should be brought up, and the factors which are written at the top, that can be brought down. So here Kb divided by Ka into Ma divided by Mb can be written. Are you clear? So this is a part. Now we know the ratio of masses, Ma is to Mb. Here Ma to Mb is 1/2. So the next step, how it should be written? Half square root of Kb divided by Ka, that can be written as it is. You do not change. Ma by Mb value is 1:2. 1/2 can be written. Are you clear? The next step, what we have to do? AA by AB is equal to, if half is taken inside, if the half is taken inside, what will happen? That will become 1/4. Are you clear? So KB divided by Ka, you write as it is. If 1 by 2 is written within the square root, that one becomes 1 by 4. Already 1 by 2 is there. If both are multiplied, you will get 1 by 8. Okay, so what is the final answer? Kb divided by Ka, this one can be written as 1 by 8. So the ratio of, what is this? The ratio of amplitude of the first system to the second system is how much? Square root of Kb by Ka into 1 by 8. That is the final answer. So that is the answer which is given in the textbook also. 4 options are given. So the right option is, for the fifth one, the right option is B. So here also we have obtained the same answer, B answer. Okay. Thank you.